has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Florida at 9:26 p.m. on November 27, 2022, effective until 11:26 p.m. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Caitlin LaRocca, a white female, 7 years old, 4 feet tall, 60 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes, last seen in the area of the 5400 block of Los Santos Way in Jacksonville, Florida. The child may be in the company of Heaven Al-Shafar, a white female, 5 feet 3 inches tall, 120 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child,